Hello, Wednesday already. We're just going to go through the task that was set yesterday after yesterday's lesson, and it was all about this first one was all about this same kind of problem that was on yesterday's video, where you've got a rectangle. The sides are measured in x this time, and we know that the longest side is x, that's here, and the shortest side, well, it says that the longest side is 5 centimetres longer than the shorter side, so that means the shorter side must be 5 centimetres shorter, so it's x take away 5. Then you had to construct your formula. Again, it would be the same as the formula from yesterday, so 4 lots of x take away 10, and the way we got that was to say 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and we're taking away both minus 5 and the minus 5, which is the same as taking away 10. And then we had to answer these questions. So, p equals 4x take away 10. So if x is 15, we just put that 15 where the x is, and then we can work it out. Remember, a letter and a number next to each other means times. So 4 times 15, hopefully you work that out as 60. Take away 10 is 50. Same on this one, the x is 28. So p equals 4, remember letter and number next to each other means multiply. Take away 10, do your 28 times 4, which comes to 112. Obviously that's both centimetres, that one should have been centimetres as well. Okay, if you're not sure about any of these, pause the video and just check how to work them out. Right, now the perimeter of the rectangle is 95, and so we want what x is this time, don't we? We know what the perimeter is. So the perimeter is 95, and it equals 4x minus 10. So remember where you've got the 4 next to the x, it means 4 lots of x minus 10. If we've got this minus 10, this is the first thing we need to get rid of, and we're going to get rid of it by adding it to both sides. So we should have 95 plus 10 equals 4 times x, and I'm going to leave the minus 10 there, and I'm going to add 10 to it to make them both the same. That keeps our number sentence balanced. But where we've taken away 10 and then added 10, that's the same as taking away 0, isn't it? So I've got 95 equals 4 times x, because that's just cancelled each other out, this one, isn't it? And then 95 equals, 95 divided by x, let me do that again, got distracted by the message that came in at the top. Well, we've got this, 95 equals 4 times x. We need to work out what x is. So if x is 4 lots of x equals 95, to find out what x is, we need to do 95 divided by 4 equals x. So hopefully you work this out at the side. And what are we doing now? 1 there, so we've got 3 left over. Oops. 7, 2 left over, gives me 5. 23.75. And of course, centimetres. And that seems to be already done for us. Let's try that again. If the rectangle is 46 centimetres, we can put that 46 where the p is. So you've got 46 equals 4x minus 10. We're going to do the same. We're going to add 10 to both sides to get rid of this. So 46 add 10 equals 4x minus 10 add 10. We've added that 10 to both sides. So that means that it's minus 0. If you take away 10 and add 10, it's the same as taking away 0. 56 equals 4 lots of x. And again, to find out what x is, we need to divide 56 by 4. So x equals 14 centimetres. I think those came out in the wrong order when I went through them, but I'm sure you worked that out. Okay, again, if you're struggling with anything, just pause the video and have another look. Okay, this next one, I think this one's a little bit more straightforward. So A equals 72 plus T divided by 2. So I just have a little drink of tea. So